Tonight is a taste of Naples, Italy. We're making Shrimp Puttanesca, a dish made famous during World War II. We're using fresh jumbo shrimp, San Marzano tomatoes, and imported linguine from Italy. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens around the world. During the day, I work for Natalie, a squeezed fresh juice company from Florida. Each week I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking.
Tonight is a taste of Naples, Italy. We're making Shrimp Puttanesca, a dish made famous during World War II. Jumbo shrimp peeled and deveined, sauteed in extra virgin olive oil, and cooked with San Marzano tomatoes, capers, and sliced Calamata olives. I was 20 years old when I visited Naples for the first time. As a sailor in the U.S. Navy, we pulled into the port of Naples. It was later that I learned about Shrimp Puttanesca and how the ladies of the night made it to attract their men as they came in from the sea. Our Misenplos tonight is 1 pound of fresh jumbo shrimp, 4 ounces of grated Parmesan Reggiano cheese, 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes, 4 tablespoons of sliced Calamata olives, 2 ounces of anchovy paste, 2 tablespoons of capers, 1 pound of linguine, extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil and thyme, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 yellow onion chopped, fresh scallions and Italian parsley, and 2 ounces of Natalie's lemon juice. To get started, pour a few ounces of extra virgin olive oil into a pan. Add in a few ounces of anchovy paste and spread it onto the pan to get it hot. Then add in 2 tablespoons of capers, 4 tablespoons of Calamata olives, a chopped onion, garlic puree, and let it all cook for a few minutes. We took the San Marzano tomatoes and put them in a blender. Now some chefs will tell you to mash them using your hands. Add the tomatoes to a pan and give them a nice stir. Season the sauce with salt and pepper, and then add in some fresh basil. Give it a stir and let it simmer. In a separate pan, add in some extra virgin olive oil and turn the heat up to medium. We will cook our shrimp in this pan. Add in the fresh shrimp. Now earlier we cut the shrimp in half long ways. This extra step ensures that the shrimp will twist while they cook. It adds to the texture of the shrimp and gives them the feel of a lobster. Add in a few pieces of the whole shrimp. And try to spread the tails out. These will be used for garnish later. Sprinkle a small pinch of seafood seasoning onto the shrimp. Many people will use Old Bay. We're using a special blend of seasoning custom made for us by our friends at Elite Spice. After the shrimp have cooked for a few minutes, we'll add them to the pan of sauce and we'll give them a nice stir. Our final product to cook is the linguine. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and add in the pound of linguine. Cook it for about 10 minutes until it's al dente. Drain the pasta and add in a chunk of butter. This will help keep the noodles from sticking and it adds to the flavor. And now it's time to plate our dish. Spoon in the shrimp around the bowl a little at a time. Using a meat fork, add the linguine to the bowl and twirl it. Using a ladle, put some of the tomato sauce on top of the shrimp around the bowl. Clean the bowl as you go. Then add some dried chopped parsley around the dish and a sprig of fresh thyme. Add one of the jumbo shrimp to the bowl and then add a second jumbo shrimp to the bowl. And we're done. And there it is, a taste of Naples, Shrimp Puttanesca with jumbo shrimp, San Marzano tomatoes, and imported linguine from Italy. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.